Muslims have the most notorious contesting relationship, a very, I would say, the word is distasteful relationship with Ahmadiyya community because of stealing the status of Jesus Christ. They have a guy who called himself to be a prophet, false prophet, as Bible prophesies, as Prophet Muhammad prophesies, Quran prophesies. The tour of the Quran that I gave you, in those, in the verses I told you about, chapter 6, about associating with God, God mentions associating a prophet falsely, also attributing with God, is a crime. And this guy does that, and he calls himself Jesus, rebirth of Jesus, incarnate. Kind of a mix of Hindu philosophy versus plus some Christianity and Islam. This guy was outrightly, clearly, very strongly, powerfully rejected by Muslims across faith, and said anybody who believes in him and his followers would be a non-Muslim. He did not call himself Muhammad. We could have said, okay, let the Christians deal with you. No. Jesus is our prophet. He's our messenger. He's our beloved also. Remember that.